Hi, Assalamualaikum and good morning everyone. This is Teacher Umi. Okay. For this homework, first you need to count how many animals are given. Okay. Then you need to write down the answer into the box given. Okay, first let's start with giraffe. How many giraffe? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, write down number 5. Okay, next. How many elephant? 1, 2. Okay, write down number 2. Finish? Okay, let's continue to page number 2. For page number 2, you need to complete the missing number. Okay, what number before number 2? It's number 1. Okay, write down number 1. What number after 2? 3. After 3? 4. Then? Okay, finish this homework with mommy and daddy, okay? See you next class. Bye.